In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an image or text with a transparent background as a PNG in PowerPoint. This is a great skill to have when you want to create graphics for presentations or for any design work where you need that seamless professional look. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open up the Microsoft PowerPoint app on your device. If you don't have it installed, you can easily download it from Microsoft's official website or through your device's app store. Once you've got PowerPoint open, proceed to click on an existing presentation. Alternatively, you can start with a new slide if you want to create something from scratch. Getting started with a new slide or an existing presentation allows you to work efficiently with the elements you're focusing on, whether it's text, graphics, or a combination of both. Now, once your presentation is open, decide what you'd like to save as a PNG. If you're working with text, go ahead and type out your desired message on the slide. Be sure to customize the text to suit your needs, whether adjusting the font size, style, or color. It's all about creating the perfect image. After your text is set up to your liking, or if you're working with any particular graphic already present on the slide, navigate to the object you intend to save. Next, you'll want to use your mouse or trackpad to right-click on the element. Doing this will pull up a context menu with several options. Right-clicking is your gateway to various functionalities within PowerPoint, and in this scenario, it's the key to unlocking your ability to export elements off the slide. In the context menu that appears, look for the option that says Save as Picture. This option allows you to export just that selected element as an image file, instead of saving the entire slide. Upon selecting Save as Picture, a dialog box should pop up asking where you'd like to save the file. Here, not only will you specify the location, but you'll also want to make a few crucial selections. Choose the PNG format for the file type to ensure you maintain the transparent background. Other formats won't support transparency, which is the whole point of this exercise. Finally, click Save, and voila. You've successfully saved your image or text as a PNG file with a transparent background. This simple process can be repeated with different elements and is incredibly handy for creating custom graphics for a variety of uses. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide useful. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.